Hey guys, super excited. I just got my Tineco S7. This is the FlashDry. This is the new version. So I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing and we'll get to using this and everything. But this series is the version that cleans itself at 158 degrees and supposedly will keep anything from stinking or being dirty or anything like that. So I just wanted to do this quick video to show you what comes in the box as I unbox it here. So let's check it out. Got a couple holders there. So here's your roller. Okay. Got some solution. Set everything over here. And then you have the handle here. And the main unit. Okay, we'll take all the wrapping off of this stuff in just a second. And then in here, we'll have the packing stuff. And then we've got the base here. Before I take the base out, you've got a filter that comes with it. Cleaning tool, cleaning brush with an extension on it. Set that over there. And we'll get this base out. All right, unwrap that in just a sec. And then this is the cover here for the roller and everything. Okay. And then the instruction manuals. So we'll cut this one here. Just wanted to show you what comes in the box. And now we'll do a different video assembling the unit.